and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Chelsea, and if you're new around here, we like to do beauty related content on this channel. If that's something that you like, then please hit subscribe, and if you're already subscribed, then please click on the little bell and you'll be notified of every time that I upload. So in today's video, I've got a mini haul for you, a mini unboxing, because I've got a mystery box. Well, it wasn't quite a mystery box because I saw it online. Two of those actually, a mini Body Shop order and also a mini Superdrug haul. If you want to see what I got, then please stay tuned. First of all, we're going to unbox the Glossybox Valentines edition. It was like the Valentines edit or something. And yeah, so this retailed for £30 for subscribers and £35 for non-subscribers. I am not subscribed to Glossybox anymore, so this was £35 for me. But yeah, this was packaged very nicely. However, my cat saw the tissue paper and ripped it all up. So we're a little bit holy, but this is literally jam-packed full of stuff, and I saw what was in it and before I ordered it, and that's why I ordered it, because there's some things in here that I needed top-ups for, and yeah, this just worked out like such a good price. So first of all, we've got the Glow water only makeup remover pads. These are like heart shaped, which I think are really cute, and I'm loving using makeup remover pads at the moment. And then we've got a Skin Proud Sorbet Skin Everyday Jelly Moisturiser. I've actually been using this every day, and it's got hyaluronic acid complex, and yeah, it's just a really nice everyday moisturiser, to be honest. It was like quite nice packaging, and it sits well underneath my makeup, so yeah, I've actually been using that one. Then we've got the Ritual Energizing Famous Shower Gel, which smells unreal. We've got a mini Bare Minerals red lipstick, a Spectrum AO4 brush. I mean, you can never have too many brushes, and I think this just looks so cute. Pinky, Valentine-y, very lovely. And then we've got the 3Ina or Mina? The 24-hour pen eyeliner, which, let me have a look at the, oh, it's very fine. Very good nib that. We've got a Glow Wish blusher in Care and Coral, which I do already have, to be fair. This is what I wanted to top up on, the BFF Brow Friends Forever, basically brow gel from the Beauty Crop. We've got a Frank Body Pout Marshmallow Lip Tint. This is also what I need to top up on, is the Colour Wow Dream Coat Satin Spray, which I've actually used today, and my hair just looks so shiny. It blow dries so nicely, and yeah, I do definitely rate this. A mini Ghost perfume. I absolutely love Ghost perfumes, and this smells divine. And then, which I also need to top up on, is the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. So yeah, let me just smell this because I need to. Oh, dreamy. So dreamy. But yeah, I thought all that, like, really good brands as well, because usually, no offence, but Glossybox do tend to, well, when I was subscribed to it, it was just like brands that I didn't really know. However, I know about all these brands, and these are like some cult favourite products as well. So yeah, I'm really chuffed to bits with this box. I think this is the best box that I've ever got from them. And then I've got, yeah, I placed like a small Body Shop order, and inside I got some more Clean Conscious reusable makeup remover pads that come in like a machine washable bag, which are dead good. They're so good. I really love those. So I'm going to put those in my makeup stuff. I got the Second Skin Multitasking Skin Tint in the shade Light 1N. So this is a multitasking skin tint which helps defend skin from the effects of daily environmental aggressors. I've also got a slightly darker shade en route as well, to be fair, because I think this might be a little bit too light. And I got the White Mask Perfume Oil Roll-On, which smells divine, but I thought this would be really nice just to chuck into my handbag. And then I got the new Sheer Touch Lip and Cheek Tint. This is in the shade Pop, and it's a very orangey shade. I really like the doe foot. It's a bit like the concealer as well. This is what it looks like. I'm just going to blend it in. But it blends quite like orangey bronzy, which I think will look really nice when you blend it into your bronzer, especially for like the summer months. And then I just got a sample of the Edelweiss Intense Smoothing Cream, which is apparently meant to be really good. And then I did an order on Unicorn Cosmetics, and I got the Valentines mystery box because, you know, I thought I'd treat myself for Valentine's this year. And inside this, I got two pairs of lashes. So we've got the Lash HQ, which are a bit like the Russian strip lashes. And then also Juicy Trip, which look really, really beautiful. They look like a half lash because they're thicker on the outer edge. I love these style of lashes. I do like a full lash, but these are like in between, which is what I prefer. And then we also got 2 of the new lip products, which I have already opened because I just had to put this lip oil on now. So yeah, we've got the lip oil in Mint Baro, which actually smells like Mint Aero chocolate. And this is literally what I've got on right now, and it looks so glossy. Like, I love the packaging as well. I love the applicator. The only thing is it's quite short, but just look. I love a lip oil. It's literally my favourite lip product to purchase because I just think it makes your lips look so juicy and healthy. Yeah, it's so silky and not gloopy, and it doesn't like bunch up or anything like that. I just love a lip oil. Like, lip oils are the way to go, but I love a tinted lip oil. Like a nudie, chocolatey, brownie tint. Like, this is my dream. And I didn't know that I was getting this shade either, but this is literally scrumptious. But to go with that, we've got the brand new lipstick. So this is like the velvet soft lipstick in the shade Bougie Bear. And you know what? This packaging is just so nice. And I'm not usually a fan of liquid lipsticks, but I like a velvet one. And that shade just looks gorgeous. So I feel like I'm going to get a lot of use out of this. But just think, this shade topped with this lip oil, chef's kiss. And then I also got inside the Pink All Sorts palette, which I believe they brought this out for Valentine's last year or for a mystery box, I can't remember. But yeah, I had my eye on this actually, and it's perfect Valentine's palette, or Galentine's, or what's the anti-Valentine's, because you know you got the black, you got your bright pinks, but I love the look of this bubblegum pink. I just want to put it on my eyes now. I don't know why I did that. But yeah, this is is it all matte? Oh no, that's a shimmer. So it's 8 matte shades and then 1 shimmer shade here, which will go really nicely in your inner corner. But yeah, that is a blush as well. Unreal. Then you also get a pigment. So this is like a lavender kind of shade pigment with silver reflex. It doesn't have a name on there. And then also some lash curlers in some really cool packaging, and the lash glue. So all that was for it was $29.99, which I think is a really good bargain actually. And I don't have any of that stuff, and I love Unicorn Cosmetic lashes. So yeah, I'm absolutely chuffed to bits with that. And then I took a trip into Superdrug because I wanted to buy some hair dye for my freshly dyed hair. And I always look at what's new in, and oh my god, I was at the MUA stand, you know, the MUA Makeup Academy stand, whatever it's called. Unreal. It looked so good. So I picked up some bits. It was on 3 for 2 as well. But I just can't get over the quality of this stuff because it lets you swatch now in Superdrug. And, you know, I never, ever, ever buy like palettes and stuff from the drugstore because I just think half the time they're just crap. But let me tell you, unreal. So we've got the Neutral Wanderlust, which looks like this. And let me these shimmer shades are the most buttery shimmer shades I've ever felt. Well, not ever felt, but ever felt in the drugstore. That's for sure. They just are unreal. So yeah, that's the neutral one. And then we've got like a more cool toned version, which is called Andromeda Skies, something like that. This is what it looks like. But this shade right here, right, let me just tell you. Sorry. I cannot believe it. That is such a beautiful shade. Like, I want to put that all over my eyelid. So I'm definitely going to create some looks with that. But they just felt so good. Like, even the matte shades feel really buttery and very, very smooth. So I'm so excited to play with them. And you know what? They're £3.75 each. And they had a few different styles. So I think I might go back and pick the rest of them up, because these are so good. I feel like these, obviously I've not played with them on my eyes yet, but the way they swatch so much better than my Natasha Denona ones, and they're about the same size as well, so they're bigger than the e.l.f. bite size ones, but only 75p more. What? So yeah, I got that. I got the liquid cream blush in the shade Misty Rose, but come to think of it, I think I might already have this, but this is a beautiful peach shade. I got a foundation stick in the shade 184. Obviously it's not my foundation stick, it's more for cream contour, because this reminds me of the Primark one that's always out of stock, so I thought I'd give this one a whirl. And it also comes with a little brush on the end as well, which I think is very interesting. Then I saw these blush duos. These look unreal, and these were £3 each. So we got Ginger, which looks beautiful. It's like two-tone of pink. And then we've got Clementine, which is two shades of like a peachy orange. But oh, these look beautiful. So beautiful. Can't wait to try that. And I think this one, the Clementine, with this cream blush, which would be a really good duo. And then last but not least, we've got the Pro Base Glow Dew Illuminating Primer in the shade Spark. Now, I swatched this in store, and oh my god. Like, first of all, you get so much product as well. And I love the MUA primers, but you get 30ml product. And I think this was only like £4. But just watch. Sorry. Look at that glow. And it just feels so like hydrating and moisturising as well, but also a little bit tacky, because obviously this is a primer, so I love it when a primer is tacky, because then you know that your foundation and your makeup's going to stick on top of that really nicely. But yeah, so you got a really nice glow, it's tacky, it's moisturising, and it was literally like £4. Sorry? God, I'm absolutely baffled at all this stuff. And then I've got a few more things as well. So I also picked up in Superdrug, which was on 3 for 2, some Maybelline stuff. So I have already done a TikTok on the infamous Superstay Fat Powder Foundation. So this is in the shade 03, and I've got mixed reviews on it, but if you haven't watched my TikTok, then I will include this in my speed reviews, which is coming up, because I have been testing it out. And then I also been testing out the Superstay Concealer. I don't know if this is new or not, but yeah, I brought this at the same time as that. And again, nah, we'll talk about that later. And then I got the Perfecta 4-in-1 Glow Makeup. We'll discuss that in speed reviews. And then I got the Vive Sunset Blush and also the Beauty Bay Retro Palette. The reason why I'm saying it like this is because if you watch my makeup release like that I was talking about, like the makeup video that I posted last video I think it was, I said these were the makeup purchases that I will be buying. And this, so I got the Vive blush in the shade Pesca, and I have tried it, and again I have mixed reviews, but this is a luminous liquid blush, so this is what the shade looks like here. And that's it blended out. I mean, can you see it? Can you see it? Because I feel like I can't see it. I need to play around with that one a bit more. But this, I'm so excited to play around with this. There will be a video up soon, but just look at that. How could I not purchase this? Because look at that colour story. I mean, in person as well, like these shades look so... Okay, good. They look so like three-dimensional and glittery and just beautiful. So yeah, I love the concept of this. Retro love, very 60s. I do want to do like a 60s inspired look with this. So yeah, so that will be on my channel very soon. And yeah, that's everything that I've bought recently. Obviously I said that I was going to slow down, but I just couldn't help these purchases, you know, I just couldn't help it. But I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure you get a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit subscribe, and hopefully I shall see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!